This is the shower. So we put in the cold water on right side, hot water on left side, then mix together, then control here, valve here. So go up shoot. We have this line. Later we are cut to connect to here. Okay. So let me show you. So we are cut the right side to connect it to here, and he go up, and the shower head and come out, so you can get a shower from this hole. You see the shower head will be here. That's a female. This is male, so can tie up here. Okay, after tie up, this line can close. Okay, then they have a special tool. Okay, so this ring we are go with the just here. Okay, then the pipe will be between them. So use this special tool. They have a half inch. This is half inch, and use the half inch and a 3/4. These two have a half inch and 3/4. So use half inch to grab, to tie it. So then this one will be stay here. This blue color will be between them. Okay, and right now I tell you the shower bed. That's another story I will tell you. Yeah, and the next time I will put the hardy ball. This is hardy ball to around it. Later we will put a tire, and here we will put the sand. I will show you. You can search. Okay, bye.